Today we are responding to week 3, day 12 of our scholastic reading. So our books are The Dot by Peter R. Reynolds and All the Colors of the Rainbow by Alan Fowler. You are responding to I notice, so something that you found interesting. So you are going to type a sentence about something that you noticed in this box. Your sentence starter can be I notice. The I should be capital. Anytime you use the word I, the letter I needs to be capital. Make sure you have a period at the end of your sentence. Then you're responding to a question that you had. I wonder. So make sure I is capital for I wonder, and then make sure you have a question mark at the end because it is a question. Then you are responding to a connection that you made to the book as you read. This book reminds me of, so it should have a capital T at the beginning and a period at the end. When you are done, read your sentences, make sure it's your best, and then press the turn in button.